When I say the word meditation, what immediately pops into your mind?
Mountains.
Mountains, yoga, doing this. What else did you guys say? When you think of meditation, what comes to your mind? Chanting. So, kind of stuff, or pizza. Is that what you're thinking?
No.
But not pizza. Anything else? Not thinking. Let's try this for a second. Let's try this little experiment. This is fun. Put your pens down. Sit in your chair. Seat back in your chair. And I want you to do this little experiment for a second. Okay? So, whether you think you can or you don't think you can, I want you to do this. What I would like you to do, for an amount of time, I'll let you know how long. I'm not going to tell you in advance, but I want you to make it so you have no thought happening. So I want you to stop all your thinking. Okay, intentionally make it so that no thoughts go across the screen of your mind. Got it? Okay, so close your eyes and make, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Good one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No thoughts whatsoever. Just make there be no thoughts, no thinking. No thoughts whatsoever. Okay, that's long enough. Okay, what did you notice? Did anyone get to no thinking? To no thought? For a half a second? You got to nothing? So what did that feel like? Like every day?
I meditate every day.
So, but what's happening when nothing's happening?
I just chill. I focus on my breathing.
But there's a thought about your breathing.
That's the only thing I think about is like the inhale.
Okay, but you said you're thinking about.
I guess that's it then.
So you're still focusing, there's still a thought.
Yeah.
It was hard for me not to think of anything because there'd be times where I'm like, okay, I'm not supposed to be thinking about anything. But
Which is a thought.
Not thinking about anything.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, okay, I'm not going to think about anything. And then I'll sit there, I'm like, it's black. Oh, crap, I just thought.
Which is a thought. Yeah. Exactly.
So dumb.
And the whole idea is, and I've 22 years of meditation, and I have yet to have the slightest idea how to make there be no thought. Nor is that an intention that we have when we meditate, to have no thought. Okay? So one of the first things I want you to get in your mind is that when we speak about meditation, it's probably it's not what you think it is. And it's not thinking. That's too hard. And frankly, I don't know if it's possible. I don't know if it's humanly possible. I have yet to find anyone who can say, yes, I can make my... Because this instant you go blank, yes, some thoughts will pop in there. Some programmed thoughts or an intention. Okay, focus on my breath, which is still a thought.
An image I was seeing like swirling, like smoke swirled. I wasn't thinking about anything, but my mind was still...
But an image is still a thought about something.